In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a progressive form in Hubspot in less than 2 minutes. Now, this is a great tool for enhancing user engagement, capturing more information without overwhelming your audience, and ultimately improving your data collection techniques. Let's dive in and explore how you can get this up and running quickly and efficiently. First things first, you need to head over to the Hubspot homepage. This is your starting point for all things Hubspot related and is where you'll begin creating your form. Once you're there, go ahead and click on Log In. This will take you to the login interface where you can enter your credentials and gain access to your Hubspot account. After logging in, you'll be directed to the Hubspot home. From here, navigate your way to the CRM section. The CRM platform is essentially the heart of HubSpot, integrating a variety of tools you need for managing your customer relations. Without too much fuss, find the CRM and click on it. Now within the CRM, locate and click on Forms. This section is where all your existing forms are displayed and is the hub for creating any new ones. It's incredibly straightforward and user-friendly. HubSpot has done a great job ensuring that users can navigate these tools without any technical prior knowledge. With the Forms section open, it's time to select a form to work on. You might already have a form in mind or need to create a new one from scratch. For now, let's select an existing form. Simply click on the form you want to edit. Once you've picked your form, the next step is to click on Edit Form. This action opens up the form editor, the place where all the real magic happens. Inside the form editor, you should see an option labeled Queued Progressive Fields. Click on this to access your queued fields. Progressive profiling within forms is a smart way to gradually collect information from repeat visitors without overwhelming them with lengthy forms on their first visit. Once you're here, take some time to plan which fields you want to progress over multiple interactions with your users. After you've decided, you'll want to click on Drag and Drop a Form field here. This hints at the ease of customizing forms within HubSpot. Simply drag the fields from your list and drop them into the desired order or position in your form. This intuitive feature makes it incredibly easy, even for the non-tech savvy, to manipulate form structures to their liking. And there you have it. In just a few clicks, you've successfully set up a progressive form using HubSpot, broadening your capabilities to collect valuable data progressively, and thus substantially enhancing your marketing strategy's sophistication. Don't forget to save your changes and test your new form before going live. Enjoy your newly improved interaction with prospects and happy form building.